So this game is called Trip to Jerusalem. So the music will play, then we will go around the table, and then yes, it's just basic. Instead of chairs, we just do the cup. Yeah. All right. Any question?
Boses tawag sa music. Wala ako. Pinaka-slow. Ikaw pinaka-dako. Bawas na isa. Minus one. Laki ka competitive, boy. Where'd you play premium? Uy, sayang yung cup, magamit na yan.
Boy, just get the cup, do not throw the cup somewhere.
Mga stop na siya.
Teka, tapos na yung song.
Ayan, perfect. Ay, kibola ko, para ulit na yan. Dapat ka ng matalikod. Uy,
Ibig na makuha, lumili pag lahat.
ang daya, ginaganon nila.
Sasahid ka, sasahid. Okay.
$25 ko ako mabayad.
Si Pao ka rin bibigyan.
Oo nga. Alright, okay, bye, Judy.
Okay. David versus Goliath.
Hey!
Alright! Uy, talikod. Dapat nakatalikod.
Yes.
Talikod.
The price is just $1.
Yay!
Yay! $5.
Okay.
Lista mo na.
Utang,
We
credits.
have five. We have five.